Glue together pieces 1, 2 and 3 as shown. Turn the structure so that piece 1 is facing the back and then add piece 4. Turn the box again so that you are working with gravity rather than against it and add piece 5. Piece 6 is an insert that will be glued inside the box behind the piece with the holes. Apply glue as shown and then stick it to the other piece already inside the box. Lastly, we need to stick on piece 7, which is the frame for this box, and we'll finish it. Next, you will find that there is a piece 8 and 4 pieces all labelled 9. This will form the locking mechanism on the box later on when you want to secure it. Glue the pieces together as shown. Once you have done this, the entire thing can be attached to the rest of the box you have already made. Pieces 10 and 11 should simply slot together. Use glue to secure them. Repeat the process for all the pieces 10 and 11. You should be able to thread through pieces 12 and 13 through the crosses that you have previously made. These will form the knobs on the combination safe. There are 2 piece 13s to stick on every knob. Repeat this process for the other 3 knobs. Piece 14 is where you will need your paraffin wax. The paraffin wax will rub into the joins to help the knobs turn more easily later on. Your paraffin wax will be a smaller piece than the one you can see in the video here. Use plenty of paraffin wax, and once the knobs are dry, you can then place them onto piece 14. Rub paraffin wax on the back of piece 15. Repeat this process with piece 16. These are going to be the rings. Don't worry about being too neat at this stage, just make sure that the pieces are well coated. Pieces 15 and 16 should then slot into each other nice and comfortably. Repeat this process for all 4 rings. Carefully turn the large piece with the 4 knobs over. Very carefully apply glue to the outer ring to attach this piece to the box. You may need to use a cotton bud if you do not have steady hands. Repeat this process for all 4 rings. Gently turn the 4 knobs until you get a square pattern in the center of your piece. It will be this combination that enables the safe to open later on. Now it's time to set the combination. Once you have made a square with the 4 knobs, turn them over and we are going to stick our dials at the number that we wish to set the combination to be. Arrange them in whatever combination you like, but make sure you remember what numbers you point them to. Piece 18 sticks on top of each of the piece 17s. to help secure them into place. You then stick the 4 numbered plates facing upwards into place on top of each of the knobs. This will set the combination once and for all. In this example, we have set the safe to open when the user turns the combination to 1, 2, 4, 3 on the dial. If you look really carefully at the video, you can see that the dials are pointing to these numbers underneath the numbered plates. Piece 19 needs to attach to piece 20. There are 4 piece 20s. Attach them all using the same method. This can then be attached to the rest of the model as shown. Now we are going to make the outer shell of the safe. Take piece 21 and glue it to the section you have just made. Repeat this process for piece 22 as well. Pieces 23 and 24 will form the top and the bottom of this box. When the glue is dry, you can slot one into the other and lock the box. Don't forget your combination though to be able to open the safe again.